Hello students, welcome back to online lecture of M.G. Shah Vidya Mandir and Junior College Bahubali. Student, in 10th Maths first, we had started topic number 2nd, Quadratic Equation. So let's start today's video.
Hello students, welcome to online lecture of 10th Mathematics first. Student, in Maths first, we had started topic number 2nd, Quadratic Equation. In earlier 2-3 videos, we had seen what is quadratic equation, how to find it is quadratic equation or not. Then we had to find the solution of quadratic equation. We had seen how to find the solution of quadratic equation by 3 methods. First method we had learned is the factorization method of solving quadratic equation. Second method we had seen is the completing square method, and third method we had seen is the formula method of solving quadratic equation. Are you understand all these 3 methods? If question is asked on one of the method, then you solve this by that method, and if not given, only factorize is given, then you can solve one of the method of these 3 methods. Okay, लक्षात आलेला आहे तिन्ही methods. Okay, now we will completed. Also, we had completed practice set 2.1, 2.2 and 2.3 and 2.4. Up to 2.4 we had completed. Now in this video we will see one new point, that is nature of roots of quadratic equation. We see one new point, nature of roots of quadratic equation. What is the nature of roots of quadratic equation means? You had seen the different methods of solving quadratic equation. In that equation, what is the root of the nature of root of the quadratic equation? Suppose you had seen by factorization method, suppose there are roots you observe x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 3. Sometimes root are 0 becomes, sometimes root are root 3 plus 2 and x is equal to root 3 minus 2. In this way root we had seen. Okay, so what is the nature of root of the quadratic equation? Means from this root we write the nature of its quadratic equation. त्या quadratic equationचं नेचर कसं असेल हे कशाला ठरवायचं आहे? त्याच्या रूट्स वरून ठरवायचं आहे. जसं बघा, तुम्ही तुमच्या स्कूलमध्ये किंवा घरामध्ये एखाद्या व्यक्तीचं नेचर ठरवता की नाही, कशाला ठरवतं? त्या व्यक्तिमत्वाकडे बघून एखाद्या वेळी ठरवता. त्या व्यक्तीकडे बघून हा शांत स्वभावाचा असेल, हा रागीट तापट स्वभावाचा असेल असं म्हणत असतात. किंवा त्याची पर्सनॅलिटी बघा, कसं म्हणतात, त्या पर्सनॅलिटीवरून त्याचं नेचर असं असेल असं आपण ठरवत असतो. मग या क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचं नेचर कशाला ठरवायचं? आपण या रूट्स वरून ठरवायचं आहे. हे रूट्स काढतो आपण. मग हे रूट्स कशावर डिपेंड आहेत? तर बघा, वी हॅड सीन b² minus 4ac. The nature depends on the value of b² minus 4ac. What is the b² minus 4ac? We call it as discriminant. We call this as discriminant, and we write this as delta. This triangle we call this as delta. Okay, so nature of root of quadratic equation depends on the value of b² minus 4ac. The b² minus 4ac is called a discriminant, and it is denoted by the letter delta. Okay, delta means small triangle. We denote by this letter. So if alpha and beta are the roots, so we know x is equal to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and second root is suppose beta, then we write as beta is equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So in that two roots we get the value of b square minus 4ac. So finally the nature of the roots of quadratic equation depends on the value of b square minus 4ac. So which are the values of b square minus 4ac? Suppose, what is the value of b square minus 4ac? Suppose first value of b square minus 4ac. There are three possible values of b square minus 4ac. Which are three possible values? See, you can write the value of b square minus 4ac. Suppose the value of b square minus 4ac is 0. In last video we had seen formula method. One example is based on this. Value of b square minus 4ac is 0. Root 0 is 0. We write. So here three possible values of b square minus 4ac are there. First is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Second is b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Means value of b square minus 4ac is positive. And third one is b square minus 4ac is less than 0. That is, its value is negative. Then what is the nature? If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real. Roots are real and equal. Okay. I have told you the nature of root depends on the value of discriminant, that is value of delta, that is value of b square minus 4ac. So if b square minus 4ac is 0, then the roots are real and equal. त्या quadratic equation चे roots काय असणार आहे? Equal आणि real असणार आहे. If value of b square minus 4ac is positive, then roots are real but unequal and unequal. They are not equal. Real but they are not equal. And third, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, means it's negative. Negative means minus 1, minus 3 is there. So the roots are not real. Why not real? See, if we cannot find the root minus 1 or root minus 3, we cannot find. So roots are here not real, that is they are imaginary. हा माइनस I म्हणजे माइनस 1 म्हणजे काय लिहू शकतो? रूट I स्क्वेअर लिहू शकतो. मीन्स व्हॅल्यू इज I. स्क्वेअर स्क्वेअर होते ते यांचे कॅन्सल. इमॅजिनरी नंबर I ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे? -1. हे तुम्हाला पुढे 11वी 12वी किंवा डिग्रीला गेलं तर हे येईल. फक्त तुम्ही लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. Okay. So students, here the nature of the roots of quadratic equation depends on the value of discriminant, that is value of delta. There are three possible conditions. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then roots are not real. Okay, understand? So now we will see example based on this nature of root. See students, now we will see example which are based on nature of this nature of roots of quadratic equation. First, here I have given one activity type question, filling the blanks or boxes. Here I have given value of discriminant. Value of discriminant means value of delta, means value of b square minus 4ac. And we have to find nature of root. So I had told you, see, here value of discriminant is given 50, means b square minus 4ac is given 50. It is greater than 0. 50 means positive. It is greater than 0. Here discriminant value is greater than 0. Therefore roots are. What are the roots here? Roots are real and unequal. Okay. Second, what is the value of discriminant? Minus 30. That is negative. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. So here roots are not real. Third one, value of discriminant in 0. That is value of b square minus 4ac is 0. Therefore roots are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Okay. From the value of discriminant you write the nature of the root. Now second example, find the value of discriminant. We have to find the value of discriminant means we have to find value of delta. That is we have to find value of b square minus 4ac. So for finding value of discriminant, that is delta, that is b square minus 4ac, we have to find a, b, c from the given quadratic equation. So it is in the first type. We have to write in standard form again, and then we have to find a, b, c, and then we find discriminant. So first you write this in standard form. Compare x square plus 10x minus 7 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get what we get? See, observe, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 10 and c is equal to minus 7. Okay, we get values of a, b, c. Now we find discriminant. So what is discriminant? Discriminant, we have to find the value of discriminant, that is delta. That is nothing but b square minus 4ac. So you find what is the b? 10 square minus 4. A is 1 into c is minus 7. 10 square is 100. Minus minus plus. 7 4s are 28. So we get the value of discriminant as 128. This is the value of discriminant. Okay, here one activity is there. Activity I had given value of discriminant, and from that value of discriminant you find the nature of root. And second example is of we have to find value of discriminant. For finding discriminant we have to find first a, b, c, and then you find b square minus 4ac. You put the values and then simplify. You get the answer. Okay, understand two examples. See one more example of finding value of discriminant. Here, what is the example? Root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0. We compare this equation. Compare root 2x square plus 4x plus 2 root 2 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get c, x square is there, value of a is root 2. X is there, value of b is 4. And value of c is 2 root 2. Okay. First we find value of a, b, c. Then find discriminant. Therefore, discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, what is the b? 4 square minus 4 into what is the value of a? Root 2 into c is 2 root 2. 4 4s are 16 minus 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So 16 minus 8 into 4 Square root of 4 is 2. 16 minus 16 is equal to 0. So the value of discriminant is 0. Here you take direct step is cancelled and you write it directly. Write 16 minus 8 into 2. This is an example based on finding value of discriminant. Now from the discriminant you can find the nature of the root. There are three possible conditions I had told you. So we take examples which are based on finding nature of root of the quadratic equation, which depends on the value of discriminant. Okay. See question number 3. Determine the nature of roots of quadratic equation. We have to determine the nature of roots of quadratic equation. What is the equation given? 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Finding nature of roots, we have to find the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac. So we first find discriminant, and for finding discriminant we have to find the first values of a, b, c. So first we compare and then find the values of a, b, c, and from a, b, c we find b square minus 4ac, and from that we find the nature of the root. See, first compare 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get value of ax, c, what is the value of a? 2. Value of b is minus 5 and value of c is 7. Okay. Now you find b square minus 4ac. b square means minus 5 square minus 4. A is 2 into c is 7. 5 5s are 25 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 7s are 56. Okay. So answer is plus minus minus 56 minus 25. 5 minus 6 1, 5 minus 2 3, minus 31. Here observe here b square minus 4ac. Value is minus 31, means it is greater than 0 or less than 0 or is equal to 0. It is negative, so it is less than 0. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then what is the nature of the root? The roots are not here. Therefore, the roots of given quadratic equation, roots of given quadratic equation are not real. Okay, understand? Next one, same example is there. Root 3x square plus 2 root 3 x plus root 3 is equal to 0. You compare this. Compare root 3x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. We get c, x square is there, a is equal to root 3, b is equal to 2 root 3, c is equal to root 3. We get values of a, b, c. Now we will find b square minus 4ac. Now you find b square minus 4ac. What is the value of b? 2 root 3 square minus 4 into a is root 3 and c is root 3. Okay. 2 root 3 square means 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. 2 root 3 into 2 root 3. You calculate 2 2s are 4 into root 3 into root 3, root 9 means 3 minus 4. 3 3s are 9. 9 square means that is 12 minus 12 is equal to 0. So here we get b square minus 4ac value is 0. If b square minus 4ac is 0, then the roots are real and equal. Therefore, the roots of given quadratic equation are real and equal. Roots are real and equal. Okay, these are the same examples. So students, in this video we had seen what is the nature of roots of quadratic equation. If given quadratic equation is there, then we have to find its nature. So the nature of quadratic equation depends on the value of discriminant, that is the value of b square minus 4ac. And we had seen the three conditions of this value of discriminant. First condition, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots are real and equal. Second condition, if b square minus 4ac is positive, means greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. Third condition, if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, that is negative, value of b square minus 4ac is negative, then the roots of given quadratic equation are not real. You remember these three conditions. Okay. Now next we had seen is the finding the value of discriminant. For finding value of discriminant, you have to write the given quadratic equation in standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And after writing it in standard form, you have to compare and write the values of a, b and c. And from that value you find value of discriminant, that is value of b square minus 4ac. Substituting value and you find the value of discriminant. One of the question, three types of question based on this. First is the finding value of discriminant. Second, finding nature of roots of quadratic equation. To find the nature of roots, we have to find again value of discriminant. बघा, nature of the root काढण्यासाठी पुन्हा आपल्याला discriminant ची value काढावी लागणार आहे. So here also you first compare with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 and then find the values of a, b, c. Then find b square minus 4ac and from this value observe this value of b square minus 4ac. If it is positive, then roots are real and unequal. If this value is 0, then roots are real and equal. And value of this is negative, then roots are not real. Second type of question, and I had given one activity type question. You have to given the value of discriminant and you have to find the nature of roots of this equation. So here we completed one point. In next video we will see what is how to obtain the quadratic equation from given roots. Here we have find the roots, nature of roots. Now in next video we will see how to obtain a quadratic equation from given roots and what is the relation between roots of quadratic equation and coefficient. We will see in the next video. Now today we will stop here. Your today's homework is write the all condition of finding nature of root of quadratic equation. The three conditions I have told you. Write in your notebook and then try to solve example which are in the exercise 2.5. Okay, which are based on this question. Okay, thank you. See you in the next video.